If you have a 2005 Ford Expedition or Lincoln Navigator, 2005, 2006, I believe, maybe 2007. However, if you have this kind of spark plug, if it looks like this, not like this. See these plugs? These usually they have no issues removing them. All these kind of plugs, different plugs. So you can see the difference. This is have this long deep neck here, right here. This is where all the issue starts. If you're a plug like this, most likely, and if you haven't changed the spark plugs for a long time, this piece right here will get stuck in the cylinder head. I have a cylinder head here. This is not a Ford cylinder head. This is a 6 straight, but this is the only head I have this moment. Just for demonstration only. I'm just gonna show you what's going on here deep inside the cylinder head when you remove this spark plugs. Just gonna use this as a just demonstration only, just to show you the spark plug hole here, what happened exactly when you remove the spark plugs, those kind of spark plugs. And this is the tool I'm gonna use to remove it. Again, this gets stuck, and this is the tool to remove. I'm gonna show you how to use this tool. Just give me a minute. So usually what happens when this spark plugs inside the head right here, I already took this apart so you can see what's going on. So you're gonna notice this the only piece is gonna come off. This piece right here, this is gonna stay inside the cylinder head. So how do you remove this? First thing, we're gonna have to remove this head here, the ceramic. We have to take this off like this, and then this is the only piece is gonna stay in. If you notice here, the ceramic, there's a ceramic part here is already broken. I had to break it just to take this apart, so I could do demonstration on it. So this piece, the ceramic here that fits this hole, it will stay inside here, stuck inside. You have to remove that ceramic. I'm gonna show you how to remove the ceramic. So very much, this is what you have to deal with. No thread, you can't thread it, you can't remove it. The only way to do it, using that tool. So the first thing we have to do, remove this piece here, right here. Removing this, you have to use this tool here. So we have to use this piece right here first. We use this and this part right here. Just gonna show you what this does. This is this is gonna go in where the spark plugs goes here. Let me just move the camera 1 second, please. So this goes here very much, and this goes inside here. Okay. So let's do the first thing first. So we have to remove this again using this piece right here. You remove this nut here, and you push. While this is inside, you're gonna have to push this one in. So this here is gonna stay on this head here. Just needs some force. Okay, like this. All right. So while this inside the head, okay, then you install this piece right here. Once you install this piece right here, you're gonna see some of the thread is sticking out here. You thread this, put that nut here. You keep spinning that nut, and as you can see, when you spin this nut here, you're gonna hold this and you spin the nut. The more you go this way, which is clockwise, keep doing this. This is gonna keep coming out like this. It's gonna come off to the level that this thing is gonna keep pulling in through that this tunnel here. It's gonna keep pulling in it until this come off. So what's gonna happen this is gonna snap. In many cases, if you're lucky, this ceramic will come off from the hole. If it doesn't, I'm gonna show you how to get the ceramic off. So this comes off again this way. You're gonna keep pulling until it comes off. So let me take this off here. So this is gonna come off like this way. All right, I can't push it, I can't pull it now because it's not in the head. Once it's on the head, you're gonna see it's gonna keep coming out till it's completely out. All right, so now you're gonna have this like this. This is gonna come off like this. So the only thing is gonna stay in the head, and the ceramic here is gonna be inside this hole here. So let's go to the next step. So how to take this ceramic out of here. There is another piece here, this tool here. What you need to do, so since this is already off, you're gonna screw this one in. You have to screw this one in where this piece goes in. Screw it in, and you're gonna keep pushing this part here. This first of all has to come out like this. Okay, and when you screw this one in, it's gonna take the place of this one here. Once this out, this is what's gonna look inside. So you're gonna push the ceramic inside the engine. You're gonna keep pushing. As you can see, it's gonna keep pushing until this comes out. You see it here? So as you can see here, right here, you see this? So this rod here is gonna push that ceramic inside the engine. It's not gonna harm the engine. It's only ceramic is gonna get burned. The engine is gonna destroy it. So that's what this piece is for. It's only to push that ceramic in. Once you're done, now you have this piece alone inside, stuck inside the cylinder head. This piece. That's where the issue is. This piece is the problem. So now the final step is there's a tabber here. So you would do this counterclockwise. You keep turning it until it holds inside this. And once it holds, you remove this. Now you need to use that sleeve again, this one here. You put it in like this. Just get there. You put it in like this, and you put that nut in here. This is also goes counterclockwise. Okay. So you make sure this shaft here holding that piece really well. Okay. Let me just move the camera 1 second. So you see this piece here. This one here on this head, it doesn't show exactly what it looks like, but it has a hole here on the cylinder head on the Ford that this sits in it. And don't worry, this is not gonna go inside the engine because it has groove here on the edge. If you see it here, there's a groove here. Is gonna prevent it from going forward. It has to. The only way it's gonna go out. It's not gonna go inside the engine. All right. So we have to screw this black shaft in to make sure we hold this tight. Once we have this hold tight, what's gonna happen here? You're gonna keep turning this. Let me just station my camera. Sorry. Okay. So you keep just turning that nut counterclockwise like this. Keep going. You're gonna see the shaft coming out. And watch what happened to this piece right here. As we going like this, you see this is coming off right now. Keep going. You keep going until you feel it like it's turning fast, free. Notice what's going on here. This is coming out already. So this is just trying to simplify it on this cylinder head. That's the only cylinder head I found in the shop here for a Jeep Cherokee, but this is for demonstration only, like I said. Alright, now you see this one is coming off. So as soon as this is get detached from where it was sitting, you pull this out, it's gonna come off like this. And this piece is already out. Now you have a free space, you could put a new spark plugs inside. You could use, on the new one, you could use anti-seize here, just to hold it a little bit. Make sure this doesn't get stuck, and make sure you change the spark plugs and with the manufacturer recommendation interval, so this way you don't doesn't happen. All right, so I hope this video was clear for you to see how I remove those kind of spark plugs with the long neck stuck inside the Ford Expedition or Lincoln Navigator. I've done a few jobs with this, it was successful. I hope if you want to do this job, you're gonna be as successful as I did. Good luck for your next project or next job similar to this. Thank you for watching.